Unleash your hydration imagination.
And break free from ordinary masking.
With the no-rinse Kay Hydrating Cream Mask. Packed with superstar moisturizing ingredients.
This creamy, dreamy formula quenches skin on demand.
And hydrates for 12 hours. Simply set it and forget it. No mess. Just looking renewed and refreshed. Now you can enjoy a surge of hydration,
no matter your destination. Mask how you want, when you want.
No rules! I mask in the morning.
I mask overnight.
I mask while I multitask.
Can your mask do that?